data already set up. Okay, so initially what we do, we need to set up data. Okay, for example, inventory data, resources data, and in the settings, go to settings, and we have to create users and territories, organization unit, all this data, accounts, contacts, entitlement. Okay, so anyway, this I will tell you in separate class. Okay, how to set up the data, I will show you later. But today what I will do is I will create one quickly. I will create a case and I will convert into the work order, and then work order workflow I am going to explain you. Okay, so these are all the work orders that I have created, and I'm going to create a new one, or we can convert this same work order also if you want. Okay, for example, already existing cases are there, right? So these cases we can convert into the work orders. Okay, when you click on it, it will ask you whether you want convert work order or not. There is a option, right, to convert work order. Work order, this case already exists. You want to create another one. Okay, already this work order is available. You want to create another one means yes, okay, then automatically it will create another work order. This is one way of creating work orders. Okay, work order means service person is going to work in that order simply. Yeah. Yeah, that I will tell you in the work order section. How to assign cases, how to book it, how to work on that. I will tell you. Okay. A work order was created successfully. Open a newly created work order. Okay. Some details records might take few minutes to be generated. Click OK. And now in the work order section that will be displayed. See, this is work order. Okay, 16. Our work order number is 16. Okay. So this is the business process flow. Work order business process flow. Work order, schedule the work order and close the work order. Okay. So we already discussed earlier how we can create invoice, right? Same way, this business process flow we have to work initially. Okay. After that, we can come to product section and we can add the products, or if you want you can add the services, and if you want you can add the tasks, and then we can complete it. Okay, we can generate the invoice same way. Okay, but what is there in the work order section? First, general section, service account, billing account, this is very important, functional location. Okay, system status unscheduled, right? So this work order is not scheduled yet, so we are going to schedule it. Okay, so if it is in progress, we can make in progress. Our service person will make in progress. Posted means they need billing. Okay. So anyway, subtitles also already I have created all these subtitles. Okay. And billing estimate and customer cancelled, follow up required 30 days. All these things we have to create. Okay. When you set up the CRM system. And work order types, which work order type? There are so many work order types like service call, or preventive maintenance, install to or inspection, or install or replace, whatever work order type you can configure it. Okay, in the setting you can configure these work order types as per your business requirement. Not only work order type, any field you can configure in the back end. Okay, as per the customer requirement. So all this information I only configured in the back end. Customer requirement, this is our job. Mm. Yeah, that I will tell you. Okay, that I will tell you at the end. I will tell you. I will add few more work order types and all these things I will add you. Okay. Price list also we have to add it, like India we use INR, right? Indian rupees, and US dollars. If you want, you can use US dollars. So I have added this Indian rupees INR. And next, work hour templates. For example, some people they will work 9 to 10 and 9 to 6 or something. They have their own hours template, right? So in the work hour template, in the settings, we have to add the work hours also, but I have not added. Okay, I will tell you how to add it later. Work order summary also we have to enter it. Okay, for example, this is AC is not working. Simple. Okay. And primary incident details. Okay, we can set up this data. AC is not cooling, or doctor appointment, whatever incident details, description detail. I mean, incident type, you can select it. And primary incident estimated duration. Usually, that I mean, the person will select primary incident customer assistant. All these fields, based on his requirement, they will select it in the general section. And priority. Okay. And work location on site. Okay, this is on site and facility or location agnostic, whichever you want you can select it. Currency already there. And reported by contact, whom reported. For example, Adit Kumar is reported, select it. Support contact person name Alok Mishra, for example. So all these settings we have to select. And the next, if you want, you can add product now, or you can add later also, that is up to you. But let me save it first. All these details you can add it later also. Okay, this section, like we discussed earlier, quotation, ordering, and billing, right? Same way these fields we can add it later. Now, service account, this mandatory information, work order mandatory information we have to select as per our data. Okay. Priority, for example, this is a high priority emergency. Okay, I am selecting emergency. Work order type, diagnosis, something is there, diagnosis and repair. Okay, this service people will be selected. Or order manager, usually order manager will like select all this information. And system status unscheduled is there. Okay, let it be unscheduled. How it will be scheduled, I will tell you. And substatus, so as per your requirement, you can select unscheduled. And this field selection only, that is up to you. Like as per your requirement, we have to select. And next, close. Just select unscheduled and finish it out. So this workflow is completed, right? So next thing what we have to do is, okay, so we have to add the products. Okay, we have to add the products. So now work order to the product, select this one. Which product they want. Already I have configured some products, CCTV, doors, all these things I only configured, electric switch, mobile and all. Price also it will display based on that product. And quantity I am using 10. And description AC, right? It is okay. Let me okay. Anyway, let it be. That is not a problem. And description we need 10 electric switches. Follow అవుతున్నారా అండి? Switches. Okay. So electric, right? Anything you can enter it. And next you need all these fields. We have to select gold card entitlement in this Environment I already created actually. Yeah, silver also available. Okay. Entitlement creation, I will tell you. Maybe in customer service module, it will be useful actually. Most of the time, customer service module, they will use SLS and this entitlement. Only one is there. Okay. So anyway, booking, reference to booking. Okay, that we will do it later. And product I have selected and save and close it. See, estimated quantity 10. Remember this. Okay. Timelines anyway, it will be displayed. Close it. Okay. So now what I wanted to do is I have added one product for my work order. Okay. Service person going to install this. Okay. Product in customer location. Okay. So now what I have to do is I have to schedule it, right? I have to book it. Okay. So now go to schedule board. Okay, schedule board. I have to assign this work to service person. Okay, now I am whom I am? I am a order manager. Okay, order manager means I am giving assigning work to my service person. Okay, so who is my service person? Who is available? I am going to show you. For example, if you select this unscheduled work order. Okay, so these are all unscheduled work order. Select your work order and you can see Abhishek is there, Adit is there. These are all like people, they don't have any work. If they have work, they can see here. We can see here. Okay, they don't have any work. So we can assign to someone like Om Prakash. So time is like 5 o'clock I want to assign. Okay, so just drag and drop. That's it, simple. Or else another way is you can click on book. Okay, anyway, it is taking time. So now if you want, you can click on book and start. See now start date. What is this here? Yeah, 16. And resource name is what is his name? This guy, Om Prakash. Om Prakash. Om Prakash is already there. And start date, time, and everything we can select it and we can book it. Om Prakash. Yeah, this one, right? And click on book. Okay. So now we have booked it. I think a different time zone. Two times I have booked it. One I will close it. Okay, only one, right? So that's fine. So now next thing is now this person Home Prakash is think it is taking time. Let me delete one. This one I will delete. So he is going to you know install that order, okay, in the customer location, right? So what he need to know that which work order it is assigned to him. We need to know, right? For example, ఊబర్ మీరు ఊబర్ను చూసినట్టయితే మనం బుక్ చేస్తే రైడ్ బుక్ చేస్తే ఒకడు వస్తాడు కదా. సో అతనికి ఎట్లా తెలవాలి? త్రూ మొబైల్ ద్వారానే తెలుస్తుంది కదా. సో వి విల్ సెండ్ వన్ yeah, we will send one notification to him if he is already installed. Okay, one mobile application he has to install on your device. But here, what I will show you directly, I will show you in the system. I mean, field service mobile application is there. I will show you. Sorry. go to that field service mobile application, go to apps and select field service mobile in another browser. Okay, what I'll do is I'll see this is field service mobile, select it. See under bookings, okay, he will see. So Om Prakash, okay, yeah, is now the status is, you see status is scheduled now. Earlier it was unscheduled. Okay, so it is assigned to Om Prakash. He can able to see based on his security roles only. He can able to see his orders, work orders on his mobile. So here we have admin privileges. That's why every order we are able to see. Okay. So let me open this order. See now field service, under field service. So you can able to see location, start location, end location. I already configured actually. Locations also I configured earlier. Source address, or you can directly enter his address also. Or I think organizational. See, organizational unit address I already configured, and resource address also I think I have configured earlier, or we can configure later also. That is not a big deal. I will show you how to configure address, usually address, and this is basic information. Okay, can you can save it. Okay, I think leave it. Bookings, under bookings or work orders, you can go to work orders and you can see it here. Okay, all the details. That is booking, under bookings only is able to view the work order. Okay, now is going to work on this work order. Okay, just select this work order. It is a scheduled status, right? And he is like is going to edit it. Save workflow. Same workflow you can able to see it. Okay, so now is working on this. AC is not working and everything is working. Is selecting the respective work. For example, appointment confirmed substatus is selecting, and primary incident customer assist field also you can able to see it. Okay, and all this information you can select. And correct, yeah, he is installing. He has to install it. And time from promised, actually 8 a.m. or time to promised, like the time he has promised, right? That time he has to enter it. Okay, primary resolution also he can enter it. Cancelled, resolved, work order in progress, like that he can select it. Okay, and save it. Yeah, now is able to save it, right? And once this is completed, his work is completed. Okay, and what he will do, he will be closing this, completing this work order, right? So scheduled is there, and you can see in progress, completed, posted, all these fields are there. But anyway, he has completed his work, that's why I have mentioned complete, I mean completed status. And you can close this order with notes. Okay, I have completed the work. Okay, work, and you can add the notes. And the location details, you can see it here clearly. Earlier, I think you are unable to see it, right? So latitude and longitude, I already earlier I mentioned actually. So this is functional location details and all everything I have mentioned. I mean configured earlier. So if you want, you can directly configure also. But here directly we can enter it. Okay. Anyway, so this is how we can do it. I think complete work order. We are going to complete the work order. Okay, I am updating the status. Now go and check. Okay, I think there is some error. Okay, it is completed. Yeah, both longitude latitude should be present. Okay, I think just now we removed it. That's why. Yeah. So now go and check this field service module where you will see the status again. Okay, scheduled board or work orders, wherever you want, you can see that status. It is completed. See, now you see AC is not working. Our order is 16. It is completed status. Yeah. Okay. So next thing what we have to do is we have to generate the invoice, right? We have added one product already. So once we have added the product or service, whatever it may be, okay, you can see like you can enter the service details also. Here service tasks also, articles, location details, everything you can add it based on the status. Okay. So anyway, now what I will do, I will just I need only invoice. Now I don't need anything. So I need invoice, right? So when you change posted status, posted means it is completed. Only for this status only you can able to generate the invoice. Okay. Click on save button. That's it. So now you are going to see the invoice for work order number 16. Okay. So just go to the work order. See, it is posted status, and where we can see the, I mean, invoice in the sales module. Okay, sales, service, inventory, all are integrated only. Here the sales is different. Okay, so in field service sales, this is field service sales, not our sales. So now you see field service only. Still you are able to see field service, but still you see lead, opportunities, code, inbuilt only. Yes, that is inbuilt only. Okay, go to invoices. See, configuration part next session I will cover you because